The backing up is hilarious.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Look out, Mark!
Yeah, doggy. There you go, doggy. Yeah. You must set off a lot of
Gee, I know where she got her
Vicky.
driving from.
Hey! Vicky taught her. Uh-oh. Vicky taught her that.
Oh, that's surprised you, huh?
The backing up is just hilarious.
What do you think? Think you guys can catch it again?
Wow.
Okay.
Oh, come on.
She says it's easier to crawl.
Stand up. Where are you going?
Here.
Doggy.
See, let's go find
Where are
her.
you going? Oh, you found the stairs. Are you pretty good at going up? Look at that.
Yeah, she's never
Did
gone
she go
down.
back? Coming back?
Never gone down.
We have to teach
You're going
kids.
backwards.
Yeah, backwards coming down. 'Cause-
Well, gee, we'll see you later.
Bye.
Yeah?
Daddy. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, your daddy's down there.
Wow, you're high.
Hi.
She learned fast, that's for sure.
Hey, where are you going? Hey.
Run, Sophie, run!
Hey, Sophie, where are you going?
Yeah.
Up, up.
Yeah, she would just tumble down. Gotta go backwards. There. Oh, she's got it.
There you go. There you go. Bring that down. There you go. Now, there you go. Good job. You gonna go back up?
There, good girl.
There you go.
Good girl. She's never done this before.
There you go.
I can't believe how smart she is. Que lista es.
Yeah. Now,
You're so smart.
there you go. Yeah, keep. There you go.
Mark, out.
There you go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Now, let's see you do that all by yourself.
Do it again.
Turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around.
Pick up everything and then when
Uh-oh.
worry about her. She's not hungry, obviously.
Oh.
So how's she doing coming down the stairs?
She's got it.
Good. That's what you do. Mark taught Gus to go.
How can she be so smart?
Hey.
Turn around, turn around. Oh, you're gonna do it that way.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hey, that's a fast way.
Look at her walk now.
No.
Watch out.
You wanna play piano?
Oh, yeah, good shot.
Oh.